already taken this cover off here, and I'm about to drill a hole through the old anchor well. It's only fibre wiring. Beautiful. Come to do this, I'm just gonna put this on here, get me a black pen, trace the line, and boom. Now I just gotta cut it out. Gonna use the jigsaw for this one, but gonna change out the blade. Well, it ain't pretty, but we'll go see if it fits. And when it goes in, it won't be coming out. That's for sure. Time has come to place it here. Can either place it there. I'm thinking just right here. Right out the way. do it. It's looking pretty chat, but it should get covered. See if this fits on here. Oh, like a glove. Look at that. Fucking beautiful. Alright, it's been a minute. So I've already put the cables back here. It's pretty much just plug and play. But I do need to bend these on there so that it fits in there without cutting on the actual mounting point. So I'm gonna give that a go. Hopefully that doesn't break. Whoops. Struggles are real. God, it's painful. Okay, tight. It's all clearly numbered, so you can't fuck it up. a snap bolt. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully that works. Oh, look at that. And then I'm gonna drill out the holes and put a bigger screw in it. Already drilled out the other three. How the fuck are you supposed to do this? I need a GoPro or something, hey? Dickhead. I have dropped screws, but I also had to cut a bit out of there so that the circuit breaker could fit in properly too. So I'm gonna get that screwed up, and then I'll get back to the wiring. Got the solenoid here, wired up to the rest of it. Don't know where I want to mount the solenoid yet. But just got to cut this last bit of wire and join it up to this bit of wire. It's alright, I can always put the other one on. I just gotta pull this plastic sleeve off, that's all. So I'll get this other one fitted up and wired up, and probably meet you back at the battery. Bolted the solenoid there. Thought it was the only good choice. I had to take this whole fucking panel off. It was quite the cunt. And now I have since put this panel back on here. Given it a vacuum and put all the cabling up here, all the way down. All the way down. And onto here, so I've Probably got to pull this panel off here, feed it through there, and hook up to the battery, and happy days. Yeah, so I had to take the step out, this panel out, this panel under there. Now I'm gonna have to drill these out so that it goes on the battery. Yeah. Nearly lost it to the abyss. Alright, so ideally should just connect that and not working. I wonder if she gotta go. Boom. And boom. Oh. I think we got power. And we got movement. Hey, hey, hey.